Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making these tuna patties. The reason I'm making them, I've made them before and I make them several different ways, but the reason I'm making them today is because I'm out of groceries. So I went through my refrigerator and pantry and this is all I could come up with, but these are super delicious and full of protein. So to get started, I used 2 cans of tuna. So go ahead and put this in my bowl. And I'll actually leave all of the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. So to this, I'm going to add some mashed potatoes. These are really flavorful because I cooked them in chicken bouillon. That's like my secret for really delicious mashed potatoes. And it adds additional flavor to this recipe. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add the juice of 1 lime. I'm going to add some pepper. And some salt. And I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs. This actually binds it together. So this is a super easy, fast recipe when you need to get dinner on the table or lunch. If you want to take this to work with you, I'm sure all of your coworkers will love you so much once you're heating this up in the microwave in the lunchroom. Okay, so I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. This just further binds it together. So now I'm going to go in with my hands because you want it all to bind together. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Okay. So I'll just make one just to show you. Just want to try and round it so it looks like a little pancake. Just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my frying pan. So this will cook up pretty fast, probably a minute on each side. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. So again, this is just like a pretty cheap meal. It's fast and easy. And there's other versions I make as well. And again, this is the end result. I just paired it with a little salad I made. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Let me, I'm not ready to say bye. I forgot to cook this about 20 seconds more and then it's ready to flip. But our viewers get the idea. They know by now. I'm just gonna finish because I love to dance. I'm just gonna finish cooking the rest of my patties and continue dancing. Alrighty guys, once again, here's the end result. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.